Welcome to Chef Koochooloo, a program, curriculum, and a suite of applications focused on cooking to learn. My name is Ksenia. I'm the head of curriculum here, and here you can see Layla, who is the founder and CEO of Chef Koochooloo. Koochooloo means little in Turkish, Italian, and a number of other languages. And we teach kids science, math, and global competency through healthy cooking. Every parent and every teacher wants to raise kids that are healthy, happy, and smart. But many scientific journals show a direct correlation between unhealthy eating, depression, and poor performance in school. We know that good food consumption habits have to be learned at an early age, but the average working parent in the US has less than 36 minutes per day to spend with their child, and they end up outsourcing cooking. Much to the dismay of teachers, schools are no longer teaching cooking, and they're under pressure to teach new and more national standards and help raise student scores in STEAM-related topics. Therefore, we came up with Chef Koochooloo. Our co-founder and one of the youngest entrepreneurs in the world, Delaray, was 6 years old when she first experienced prejudice in the classroom, teased for bringing in healthy ethnic food instead of buying the cafeteria fast food options. As parents and educators, we felt passionate about creating a world where every child's happiness, health, and education could be improved, and came up with the idea for a game that would help kids discover healthy dishes from around the world, emphasizing diversity and inclusion while learning STEAM, or science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics. By obtaining a grant from the National Science Foundation, we had the privilege of interviewing 100+ educators so that we could build a solution that truly had product market fit. Our research showed that although every teacher cared about teaching children healthy eating and respecting other cultures, few of them had the time to support such learning. So we came up with Chef Koochooloo, an international educational platform that takes children on a culinary journey, teaching them math and science along the way. The K-12 educational segment comprises of 3 million schools catering to almost 1 billion learners on the planet. Our immediate customers include elementary school educators, principals, teachers, IT staff, and parents, especially with home learning that had to happen due to the pandemic. We have multiple beneficial partnerships with big names and thought leaders in health and education. Through our partners such as Johns Hopkins University and Microclinic International, we have contact with over 350,000 students. Our NSF approval and endorsement lets our customers know our app is scientifically backed. Ed Games Expo continues to promote and feature Chef Koochooloo in their conferences. Additionally, we have independent studies published which show significant academic improvement with our program. We're launching our app in both English and Spanish in order to reach the growing population of Hispanic people in the United States. The addition of Spanish will open up opportunities for these minority groups to improve health and education. We have the perfect mix of passion and experience to take the startup to the next level. Our CEO has a master's in international marketing and a minor in education. Prior to launching her career in sales and marketing for tech giants such as eBay, Yahoo, and SAP, she worked as the consultant to the Ministry of Education in France. Co-founder Antoine was a math and science teacher prior to pursuing his engineering degree and launching previous successful startup in the Silicon Valley. Co-founder Delaray makes sure our product is kid-friendly and attractive to young people. As head of curriculum, I have more than 15 years of experience in researching educational innovation. Our world-class advisors include professors and professionals from around the world. Thank you for listening, and please let us know if you have any questions.